Yo, what's up everybody? Anxiety Offline back again today for a very quick unboxing video. So a couple months ago, me and the owner of BLCNY were talking and he was like, hey, if you ever get time, you should do some balcony, graffiti, send it my way and we'll put it on, shirts or decks or whatever. So I was like, heck yeah, let's do it. So it's some really cool balcony artwork, sent it his way. It's really cool. They ended up using them for bag toppers and some really awesome hoodies. So the owner, Dan, was kind enough to send one my way. Super stoked about that. It always feels really cool to wear like a shirt or something that you design. So I'm super stoked to open it up. I've seen pictures of it and it looks awesome, so I'm super stoked to have one of my own, and let's get into it. So here is the package, and really funny story about this thing. About a week and a half ago now, 2 weeks ago, he sent me a tracking number. He said, hey, should be there soon. And I was like, all right, bet, that's awesome. And I'm tracking it, and a couple of days go by and it doesn't update. It like left San Francisco and just like didn't update for like 5 days. That's really weird because I'm in Michigan, so usually it'll update within a day or two. It'll be in like Nebraska or St. Louis or Chicago, and then it'll end up in Detroit, and then it gets to me. So I'm tracking it, and I ended up turning on the text tracking because I wanted to get instant updates as to where it was. And I wake up one morning, I have a text that came through at like 4 in the morning from USPS. This was scanned all the way in Guam. Like, that's crazy. I don't know how. Must have got put on the wrong truck in the wrong sorted something, I don't know, and all of a sudden it got put on an airplane all the way to Guam. And it was so that was kind of crazy. And then like 4 or 5 days later, it was in Hawaii. So I spent the past weekend in Hawaii. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of jealous of this package. I would love to be in Hawaii right now. But then today, finally it landed, and I'm super stoked. So let's get into it. Ooh, there's some goodies in here. All right. So let's start off. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Let's start off with the main attraction. Got the BLCNY Corvette hoodie in gray. I got 2X. I like my hoodies big and comfy. Ooh, nice quality hoodie. Very soft. Heck yeah, gonna rock this in a lot of videos. Love the letters. These came out super cool. Did some block letters for these ones, and then I did some like throwies and some pieces. And they ended up using the throwy on one of the bag tags. So that's really cool. One of the bag toppers. So that's really cool. And this just came out so awesome. I love that screen print. Looks so good. I mean, the quality of it is amazing. It looks like I just literally drew it on here. It's so crazy. Thank you so much, Dan, for sending this over. Really appreciate it. Really love everything you do with BLCNY. Your brand is amazing, awesome stuff. Thank you so much for this. And there's one more thing in here. Let's see what this might be. I don't really know. I see a piece of grip tape. Ooh, oh, no way. Ooh, what's the note say? Much love, Andrew. Thank you, Dan. Much love right back at you. I do appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for hooking this up. And let's see what this is. Oh, the bag topper. Thank you for sending me one of those. Stoked. Whoa, this is an interesting deck. So hook me up with the lounge. That is awesome, man. Thank you so much. I don't have anything this like extreme right now, so this is gonna be a really cool addition to my collection. So this is a Lounge 26. I think it's the pool shape. I'll have to double check on that. The thing is awesome. Very different from a lot of the decks I have. The thing is super cool. And of course, it's in that awesome bag topper. I love how these letters came out. They're just so cool. And I love the little design he did behind it with the little throwies kind of in a little pattern, and it's awesome. This deck is sweet. I love it, and it's really cool because it kind of matches my other kind of thin deck. So these will kind of accent each other very nicely when I get this one set up, which I'm going to immediately. And I gotta get some 26 trucks. This is actually gonna be my first 26 deck, so that's pretty dope. Thank you, Dan, really appreciate that. That is awesome. So check it out. Got the hoodie, got a new deck to set up with the bag topper I designed. It's just so awesome. And yeah, so not much to this video. I just want to unbox this stuff and just give a huge thank you to BLCNY. Really appreciate just the opportunity to be a part of something cool as this, and to kind of contribute to everything you're doing. You're doing some really awesome stuff out there, for the scene. So thank you so much. Huge shout out to BLCNY. Much love right back at you. And I will see everybody in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.